Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? I am back with yet another unboxing video, and this time I am about to unbox the Wildcat model. And so, anyways, let's just get unboxing, my dudes. Here's all the pieces. And here is the instruction manual, like always. That I'll need to follow. And, of course, here is the base. And so, yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Wildcat model I got last time I was at Hersheypark. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts on this video, your thoughts on this model that I'm about to start building soon. And, of course, stay tuned for a video of me actually building this thing that is going to come out tomorrow, so make sure to you stay tuned for that. And of course, make sure to check out my merch store on Bonfire. I have t-shirts, like long sleeve shirts, tank tops, tote bags, face masks, coffee mugs, all the things on Bonfire that they allow you to sell that you could possibly want. So make sure you go check out that merch store and buy yourself at least a few things. I encourage you to buy at least a few things from my merch store. I'll have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next